Greetings, true connoisseurs of classic vehicles. Today I invite you to a short trip through Mercer history. Mercer was an American automobile manufacturer from 1909 until 1925. It was notable for its high-performance cars, especially the Type 35 raceabout. The Mercer Automobile Company was formed in May 1909 in Trenton, Mercer County, New Jersey. It evolved from the Walter Automobile Company, which had built the Walter and Roebling Planche automobiles. Washington A. Roebling II arranged with William Walter to take over his automobile company and use a vacant brewery in Hamilton, New Jersey, owned by the Cusa family. Ferdinand Roebling, son of John A. Roebling, was the president, and his nephew Washington became general manager. The secretary-treasurer was John L. Cusa. Let's learn about the fascinating evolution of the various models and major milestones in the fields of vehicle manufacturing. In addition, if you wish, you can support our channel by liking it or subscribing to Patreon. You will find the link in the description below the video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more.